Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the GIMP image editor for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the GIMP image editor for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to go to the official website of GIMP, since that's where we will download the app. So just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And now that you're on the official website of GIMP, let me now show you how to download the app. So to do that, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download option right here. Just go and click it. And after clicking it, you will now be directed to the downloading page of the app. So just click this download button to start the downloading process of your GIMP installer. And then your GIMP installer will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. And after that, the app will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your GIMP installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now use it to start editing your image. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.